Force has been one of the pioneer companies in India while it comes to manufacturing of commercial and off-road vehicles. There are many options made available by the company for small commercial vehicle segment 2 and Trax Kargo King mini truck is one of them. The vehicle is completely dedicated to fulfill the needs of small business owners who mostly operate in a city of its nearby area. With an SUV-like power and torque number, this truck is not only good in performance but has been equipped with cabin comfort as well. Apart from power-packed and comfortable performance, Trax Kargo King also offers short turnaround time which eventually leads to higher profit margins with decent load carrying capacity. Force Trax Kargo King comes with 4-cylinder, 2596cc diesel engine, delivers out a maximum power of 60 bhp at 3,200 revolutions per minute and peak torque of 158 Nm at 2,000 to 2,200 revolutions per minute. Paired with 5-speed gearbox and bigger clutch, transmits power very smoothly to its wheels and takes it to a decent top speed, and gradeability.Wheelbase of the vehicle is 3,030 mm and minimum turning radius is 6,300 mm. Mileage of the vehicle is 12 to 14 km per liter. Gross vehicle weight is 2,850 kg. Kerb weight is 1,700 kg and payload capacity is 1,150 kg. The overall length of the vehicle is 5,032 mm, overall width of the vehicle is 1,660 mm and overall height of vehicle is 2,105 mm. Ground clearance of the vehicle is 235 mm. The cargo box length is 2,442 mm, width is 1,610 mm and height is 548 mm. Ex-showroom price of the vehicle is 6,60,000 Indian rupee.